Forward biased diode. In forward biased diode, P region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and N region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. We know that holes are the majority charge carriers in P region and electrons are the majority charge carriers in N region. Now, when this source voltage Vs is greater than 0.7 volts, which is barrier potential for silicon diodes, holes from this P region and electrons from this N region, they begin to diffuse across this junction, which is known as P-N junction, forming the depletion layer or depletion region. Now, as a result of this diffusion, more holes are created at the N side and more electrons recombine with the holes in the P region. Now, in forward biased diode, since N region is connected to the negative terminal of the battery and P region is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, so electrons from this N side and holes from this P side, they are pushed towards the P-N junction due to repulsion. As a result, depletion region becomes thin and continuous current starts to flow around the circuit. Now, look at this figure. As you can see, this depletion region becomes thin. Now, when electrons leave point A, for suppose this is point A. Now, when electrons from this P region, when they leave this point A in the circuit, then new holes appear in the P region. Now, due to reappearance of these holes, electrons in the N region, they diffuse across this P-N junction and recombine with these newly formed holes, and this process continues. Now, due to this heavy flow of current, reverse current or drift current becomes negligible. We know that I diffusion is the diffusion current and the direction of this current is from P to N. It is represented by ID. Now, the direction of drift current, which is also known as reverse current, it is from N to P and it is represented by IS. In case of forward biased diode, diffusion current is much more greater than reverse current, which is negligible. So, the equation of current will be I is equals to ID minus IS. So, this is forward biased diode.